Let's learn animals. Lion. Lion. This is lion. Tiger. Tiger. This is tiger. Bear. Bear. This is bear. Fox. Fox. This is fox. Elephant. Elephant. This is an elephant. Zebra. Zebra. This is zebra. Koala. Koala. This is koala. Monkey. Monkey. This is monkey. Thanks for watching.